welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Google Meet microphone not working. So let's get straight into the video. The immediate fix you want to try is check if your microphone icon is red and click to unmute it if it is muted. Well, I'm guessing that is definitely not the problem. What you might have is a pending update. Open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and search for Google Meet. Once you've simply went ahead and opened Google Meet, what you want to do is tap on the application, and if there is any updates available, there's going to be an update button instead of the open button right here. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and reset your settings. Go to your settings, go down to General, and scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then Reset All Settings. It'll ask you for your PIN. Simply go ahead and enter that, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it doesn't, you still have the last way, which is uninstalling and reinstalling your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.